Today, we are going to understand about the plants that are used in wellness. The plants come under three categories. They can be preventive purposes, they can be used as promotive purposes, or they can be used as a curative purposes. Now, preventive is usually like a habit of having warm water early in the morning with turmeric. So this is a very healthy kind of habit which can prevent many of the problems which would come later stage. Promotive is something like applying coconut oil to your hair or applying castor oil onto your hands and on your feet. And curative is something which is taken when you are ill and you want it to be taken as a therapeutic usage. For example, when you're not well, you're using the juice of Andrographis paniculata for fever. We are just going to now have a look of few of the species which are having usage for the daily common health issues. This is Adathoda vasica, where the leaves are used, and this is very, very important, especially in respiratory. Today, today we have lot of cosmetic products across the web. Now, this is a very important traditional medicine plant which is used for the cosmetic as well as a very good coolant. It is also used as a liver tonic and Andrographis paniculata, I just spoke about it, which is used for, I'm sure we would have seen this Asparagus racemosa, which is having a tuberous and huge number of roots. This is usually used as a galactagogue and also used for developing the Cymbopogon citratus, which is used it has a kind of a very nice fragrance used for the respiratory. A thick-leaved Lamiaceae member is Coleus aromaticus. As the name suggests, it's a very aromatic plant which is largely used in the respiratory disorder and in the headache. Turmeric has been known to us from very, very long time, and it is used in several forms in treating cold, cough, and several other. Yeshimadu, also known as Glycyrrhiza glabra, is largely an important plant and it is used in several products in the country. This is largely used in cough and Tulsi is very, very common in our religious practices and cultural tradition. So now this is used in cough, cold, fever, and several other issues along with the eye troubles too. Philanthus means phil means leaves and anther means hanging fruit. So you can see the fruits which is under the leaves. Now Amarus means bitter. So here we see that Bhumi Amalaki is a small herb where the whole plant is used, especially in jaundice, and our grandmother has been giving us. Now, along with that, it is also used in cough and cold. Today, there is a lot of awareness of eating plants, especially the fruits and other things which are available. Now, vitamin C source is our gooseberry, that is Philanthus emplica. This is used for building the immunity and also as a liver tonic, along with the several other usages. Now, Piper has different species. Now, this particular plant that we are talking about is called as a Piper longum. So, as this species says, the hanging in fructescens is long and it is known as pipali, which is largely used in the respiratory disorders. During COVID, this particular plant received a lot of importance as it was helping in fighting the immunity and helping us to overcome the COVID-related issues. It is also used in the treatment of fever and used as a liver tonic. Our Indian ginseng, this is an energizer. And this particular plant is a small plant where the roots are used, and it is known as ashwagandha. This is particularly used for healing or treating the headaches and also improving our general immunity. A very commonly plant that was used and seen in the kitchen is our ginger, Gingiva officinale. It has lot of usage in several ailments such as cough and cold. Here the rhizome is used.